Hello to all the dedicated teachers and creative parents. I hope you're doing great and feeling full of energy to create joyful and unique learning experiences. Over the past few days, we've talked about tools you can use to design fun classroom games and quizzes. But today, it's time for the next important step: smart settings that help your programs run more smoothly, effectively, and professionally. One of the factors that always makes a presentation more engaging is its color scheme and unique appearance. In this section, you can adjust settings related to the PowerPoint display, such as background, colors, and more. In the Settings section, you can create as many different display styles as you like to add variety to your presentations. However, if you prefer not to have variety, one setup is sufficient. You only need to configure the settings once and can use them for future presentations. There's no need to recreate them each time. Number: this is automatically filled in. Name: enter a unique name for the settings. This name will be used throughout the program to display the settings. At least one setting must be defined to run the PowerPoint. Type: select the background type. This will be shown during the PowerPoint presentation. Options include a solid color or an image. Background color: enabled. If you choose a color as the background, a color must be entered. Background picture: enabled. If an image is selected as the background, an image must be selected. Color item 1, 4, these are used as colors for the spinner. These colors are used for numbering the options in multiple choice questions. The same color scheme is also used for colored templates. Font name: choose a font from the font list to use in the quiz. Font address: enter the directory path where system fonts are stored. On many systems, this is the C drive. If your system path is different, update it here, otherwise the font selection box won't work properly. Font size: sets the font size for the presentation, preferably between 8 and 10. Font color: defines the font color. Use dark colors on light backgrounds and vice versa. Front color: used for the spinner frame. The next button, if no icon is selected. And the home button, if no icon is selected. Back color: used for text containing boxes. Page color: used for the timer. Name box: if no icon is selected. And score box, if no icon is selected. Correct sound: wrong sound and reward sound, played on correct answer, wrong answer, or when opening a reward box respectively. Must be in .wav format. Sound icon: when an audio file is used in a question or its answers, an icon is displayed next to the box. By clicking on this icon, the sound will play. If this option is left empty, a circle colored with the peach color will be displayed instead. Open box picture and close box picture, shown when the reward box is open or closed. In this section, you can be very creative. Here, I have used a treasure chest, but you can use things like an egg, a gift box, a human fist, a computer monitor turning on and off, or anything else you like. It all depends on your creativity. Fill answer: when using the rectangle fill picture template, this image is used for the answer boxes. Home icon and next icon, used for their respective elements. If left blank, the front color is used instead. Name icon and score icon, used for their respective elements. If left blank, the page color is used instead. Save: when all the information is completed, pressing this button will save the settings in the settings table. Reset: clears all text fields so new data can be entered. Clear: deletes all settings from the settings table. If any PowerPoints are linked to these settings, they will be deleted along with their PowerPoints. Delete: activated when a row is selected. Deletes the selected setting and PowerPoints. Edit: activated when a row is selected. Modify and save changes. If the name changes, it's updated everywhere. If you're interested in collaborating or have any questions, feel free to contact me via email. So if you're looking for creative, engaging, and budget-friendly teaching ideas, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new videos.